Chia seeds are tiny, but they're packed with fiber, healthy fats, protein, and important minerals. But are you actually eating them in the healthiest way? In this video, we'll explore 6 delicious and easy ways to add chia seeds to your daily diet. 1. Chia pudding. First, try chia pudding. Simply mix chia seeds with milk or yogurt and let it sit until it becomes thick and creamy. Top it with fresh berries, nuts, or nut butter for a delicious breakfast. 2. Chia seed jam. Mix mashed berries with chia seeds and let the mixture thicken. Enjoy it on whole grain toast, oatmeal, or yogurt. 3. Yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruit, chia seeds, and a little granola for a simple and satisfying snack or breakfast. 4. Smoothie. Blend them with fruits, milk or yogurt, and other healthy ingredients for a creamy, nutrient-rich drink. 5. Overnight oats. Mix oats, chia seeds, and milk. Refrigerate overnight, and top with your favorite fruits in the morning. 6. Savory meals. Don't limit chia seeds to sweet dishes. Sprinkle them over salads, avocado toast, roasted vegetables, or grain bowls for an easy nutritional boost. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy food tips.